We've had our 316 stainless steel wedge bolts manufactured here in Taiwan, and we visited the factory while they were being made. We actually tested their style of wedge bolts over a year ago and really liked them. Now we're testing random samples from our manufactured batch with hangers. The bolt broke at 37.03 kilonewtons. Shear test. Yeah, it's not wobbling.
30.
Hanger broke at 30.54. We're gonna retest, but with a beefier hanger. No wobbling. All right. We broke the bolt at 41.54 kilonewtons. We have them 90 and 65 millimeter length. We have them available at the How Not To store and have a coupon code in the description below.